Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the buy one get one free deals that they have, the promos. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make review videos. Unfortunately that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first one we got Ryobi. As you guys look here on the top left, we do have a kit for $99. It includes the impact driver, drill driver, two small batteries, a charger in a bag. It's a really basic drill for the DIY. The next one we have is it looks like a 4-tool combo kit. Impact driver, drill driver, reciprocating saw, a light for $139. Seems okay deal, like I said, for DIY. And then we got a $99 deal. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a 6. Looks like a better deal. For $199, I think it's a lot better deal because you're getting that circular saw, you're getting the oscillating tool, and you're getting the reciprocating saw. So that's a much better deal than the first two. And then you got some more here on the right. You got a $49, $79, and $99. So on the bottom of this board here, where you're gonna get the division between those prices. The first kit that we have here is $139. That's the 4-tool combo kit, as you guys see there. And then you have the $99 kit, the really basic $99 kit. Don't expect this to perform like a Dewalt or a top of the line Ryobi. You got the battery for $49. That's supposed to be the upgraded cells, the better 21700. You got a tool here for $49. I don't believe it's this one. I think it's on the wrong side. Got $49 for the oscillating tool. I think that brushless tool is on the wrong side there. And then you got the router for $49. It says right there, the light for $49. You got some more. You got the nailer down there for $99, so you guys see there. And then you got the blower for $79. The vacuum for $79. Yeah, it's not the drill's not $79. It's $99. You got the reciprocating saw for $99. You got that vacuum for $79. Then you got the speaker for $79 there. That's the new speaker that they came out just recently. And then they got the impact driver there, brushless impact driver for $79. You got a twin pack of batteries for $79, which I think it's a good deal. But yeah, then again, last year we did have that free tool when you purchased that's the new vacuum 5988. That just recently came out from Ryobi. You got the $299 kit from Makita. It's a really great deal. We did have that last year. It's a really nice deal there for somebody that needs a whole lot of tools for $300. And then again, we got Makita. So you got buy this $199 kit with I believe it's 2 5s, get a free tool. You can get this $249 impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, get a free tool. And then you buy that $399. Looks like a hammer drill, a top of the line hammer drill, and an impact driver, 2 big battery or 2 batteries. You'll get 2 tools for free, so you can select from a battery, a sander, a reciprocating saw, jigsaw, looks like a router. What is that? An oscillating tool. It's hard to see. My screen's real small. Your screen's bigger than mine because I'm editing. It's just in one corner. So this one's like an angle grinder, a circular saw, and some sort of light. I don't know if that's a light or camera. It's a compressor and a blower. So we got those there. Oh, and that's the impact driver that they're gonna have for $149. I believe it's the older version. So, and then they have this one for $149. It's really basic tools. It's a compact. So DIY tools we're talking about. These are brushless. These two for $99 are brushless. Definitely worth those. Those are the batteries. The 3-pack for $149. Then you got that hammer drill kit for $399, and to the right you have the circular saw for $199. You got the blower there to the right. That's the kit for $399 there. You got the blower for $129. Looks like a jigsaw for $159 there. So those are most of the tools that you're gonna be able to get for free. That's the angle grinder, which is a great angle grinder, $139, and then the sander for $119. You got the reciprocating saw, 119. So yeah, those are most of the tools you're going to be able to get for free. That's the 249 deal that they have, impact driver, drill driver, so just the normal. That's the 2 batteries, the 2.5 amp hours charger, and a bag for 199. You get that free tool or the free battery. That's the free battery that they're going to have for 149. That's the router. Alright, we got the Dewalt. So Dewalt's pretty much the same thing. We got a big battery and a small battery. I don't remember exactly what type of battery you're going to get. I believe it's a 6 and a 4, I believe. 199, so you get one free tool. You get 199. It looks like a drill driver with the big battery there. You get a free tool, and then you get this big combo kit. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 tool combo kit. 399 looks like brushless tools. So you are getting some brushless tools. They are atomic. 399, definitely a great deal, and you get 2 batteries there. Plus, you get 2 free tools, which I think this is the much better deal. You're getting brushless tools. That's if you're not into Dewalt. If you're into Dewalt, you know, obviously you're gonna get the batteries and get that free tool. So you can get the battery, the sander. What is that? The impact or the wrench? Is that the impact wrench? Circular saw, angle grinder, light, oscillating tool, screw gun, and router, jigsaw, blower, or reciprocating saw. So, and then to the right here you have the 149 3-pack of batteries. It looks like a 6, a 4, and a 2. And then you have that $149 deal that they have, pretty much like the atomic deal, which is a great deal because 149 you're pretty much getting the other tool for free. So that's what the 399 kit that you're gonna be able to get 2 batteries for free, or 2 tools for free if you buy this kit. It's a really great kit there. 199 for hammer drill. That's the middle one that you can get 1 tool for free, and that's the impact wrench there for 199. Reciprocating saw, and that's just an what is this, atomic impact driver kit, and then that's a circular saw, a smaller atomic, more compact circular saw. Got the router for 199, sander for 139. So you guys see that router is worth it to get it for free. You're getting a lot of money there for free if you guys choose any. And then the same thing with this, 199 for the jigsaw. So definitely worth it to get it for free. Then you got the batteries for 149. Like I said, it was a 2, a 4, and a 6. Definitely worth it. Smoking deal. And then this one's a great deal. I do have this tool, 199. I put that tool against the Milwaukee. Definitely both are very comparable. The Milwaukee fuel, so definitely very comparable. Check out that video. I do have it in my channel. Just put Dewalt versus Milwaukee tool head 147. Then you got the Milwaukee 199. You get gets 2 4 amp hour batteries if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm not wrong. And then you get a free tool. $3.99. You get a hammer drill and impact driver. Both of them are fuel, so top of the line. And then you get $5.99. You get a 4 tool combo kit, 2 big batteries. And then you get 2 free tools. So pretty much you get an angle grinder. Seems like the Search, I believe. A hacksaw, a one-handed reciprocating saw, a router, a jigsaw, a screw gun, a blower, a battery, a vacuum, a speaker, and some sort of lights, and then the oscillating tool. So you got a lot to choose from there. Definitely check out all these deals. Like I said, jump on them because they're going to get sold out, and it's going to get really complicated for you to get a hold of the tool that you want. There's not going to be a lot of selection left. And then to the right, you got the $99 deal there. Brushless drill, and then you got the impact driver to the right. You got those brush tools, those older brush tools for $149, which is they're great for the DIY, I would think. But you know, if you can get brushless tools for $99 and get that extra charger there, that's a great deal. That's a $2.99 kit there. That was there to the right. Most of these are brush tools. I wouldn't get this. I would get brushless, like I mentioned before. But but they make it nice and attractive because you're getting a lot. Like this one too, 149. That's a really low price. Still great tools, don't get me wrong, but these are better. I got this impact driver. This guy's a monster. This guy's way more powerful. If you're a professional, you're gonna love that one. You got the angle grinder there, 179. The hacksaw for 159. You got the speaker there. You got the light for 149. You got the vacuum there for 119. You got the big old kit, the 599 kit there, with the 2 free tools. And then that's the middle one, which is $3.99 with the 2 free tools with a hammer drill. And then that's the basic kit there for $1.99 with the 2 force. So this is definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth it to check it out. That's the jigsaw there. And then you got Ridgid pretty much. Ridgid has, apologize for the camera, I'm not the perfect cameraman. You got the Ridgid. You know what, guys? I just came out with the brand new video online. They're doing the buy one get one free from Ridgid. From different tools. I believe this is include. I don't know if this is included or a similar kit is included. But check it out. Definitely check it out. View your options because you want to get the best for your money. It says buy this $1.99 kit and get a free tool, so you can get 2 batteries. What is this? A saw, like a multi-material saw, and then a compact impact wrench. So, and looks like you get a drill driver and an impact driver here with that kit, and a charger in the bag and 2 batteries. And then you have a $79 deal, your choice here. I wonder if the bottom one. Yeah, I don't know. Ridgid's kind of weird this year. That's the impact driver drill driver for $1.99. So they do come in a new packaging now. I guess they're doing black and orange. And that's multi-material tool for $99, and then the compact impact driver for $139. You got the 2 batteries, 2 amp hour batteries for $69. And then we got the Flexvolt, guys. This is a killer deal here. This is definitely a killer deal. You buy any of these tools, you get a battery, a 6 amp hour Flexvolt battery, and a 6 amp charger, which is the newest, the fastest charger, well, one of the fastest, and get those for free. So buy 1 tool and get those for free. You can buy pretty much the hammer drill, the reciprocating saw, circular saw, the new angle grinder. These are definitely great tools. Do not let this pass if you're in Dewalt's or if you're a professional and you're in Dewalt's platform. $4.99. This is the kit that pretty much includes a pack out. You include all brushless tools, and it does include 2 Flexvolt tools, a circular saw, an angle grinder. There are Flexvolt angle grinder and a Flexvolt circular saw. If you want to buy this kit, it's $2.99. It's a hammer drill and an impact driver and a Flexvolt battery. And then this is the cheapest one, the cheapest kit you can buy, the $179 hammer drill, and you get those free batteries. Circular saw $199, angle grinder $199, and the reciprocating saw $199. So any of these kits will get you a free battery, and so you guys see, the batteries are gone, the chargers are gone. So make sure you go to the store. If you guys see them, pick them up. Don't think about it. You can return them later if you don't want them. You got to buy one of these items and get a free battery. So you get a free 8 amp hour. You get a 12 amp hour battery, $219. You got the rocket light, $229. You got the reciprocating saw, $249. Circular saw, $249. Looks like a nailer, $279. And then you got the vacuum for $299. You get this nice M18 red lithium high output 8 amp hour battery. So this is a killer deal. You're getting $219. You're getting a 12 amp hour and an 8 amp hour. I'm thinking of getting either one of these tools and this 8 amp hour battery, which is a killer deal. Then to the right, you get that $199 kit. I believe they are brushless tools. And then it's hard to see, but the $4.99 kit, it's mostly brush tools with that pack out. The pack out's really attractive. I know we love the pack out. But you know, some of these tools are brushed, older brushed. So just keep that in mind, because You can get, for the same price, you can get a boatload of fuel, tools. This $4.99 kit, like I said, it's really attractive because they have that pack out. So yeah, and then they got the fuel. They got the batteries here for $1.99 each. So those are the batteries. And then they got the drill driver, impact driver for $2.29 advertised here. And they had it for $1.99 up above, so I don't know what the deal is with the prices. Then they had the sand cap. Looks like they were just putting this out, so there's no prices on this or anything. Feel free to comment down below if you see any good deals here that we don't see it here because we don't have the prices, obviously. But I saw these Impact XPS 35 kit. Looks really nice. Looks really great machines. So I heard good things about this kit, or this line of this kit, so bits. That's a subcompact. So we got a 2-tool combo kit, a reciprocating saw, and then we got a rear handle circular saw, brushless. I guess it does come with 2 batteries, so not really sure about that. And then we got the ladders, guys. I know there's a lot of ladders going on sale. This one's gonna be on sale for $99. I don't know if you guys heard, but it's not on sale now because this was before they did the sale. But yeah, that ladder, the 22 feet ladder, it's gonna be on sale for $99 again, like we saw it before. And that is the platform right here to the left. That's $23, and that's the one that's gonna be on sale, or is on sale now currently. So you guys see, there's only 2 left. So $23.88, a 300-pound load capacity, 20-inch aluminum slim fold fork platform. Regular price $69. So that's a killer deal there on that. That's a Black Friday ad deal. So check it out. Like, if you guys want one of these, 2 of these, pick them up. You can use them as chairs. I got the review coming up. Either this week or, yeah, probably this week I'll have it up. Either Tuesday or Wednesday or something like that. I'll have the quick review on that. It's just a quick video. I'll show you guys how that works. But yeah, go ahead and pick it up if you guys need it. You know, if you guys are going to be doing DIY, or if you need an extra bench, pick it up. Always great to have something extra in case you need it. But there's going to be a lot of ladders on sale. There's going to be a ladder for $49. There's going to be a ladder for $20. There's going to be the Gorilla ladder for $79, and there's going to be that Warner ladder that we saw before for $99 if it's not out already. Currently on this Home Depot they didn't have it, like I said, because I was here just before they had that sale, or that, you know, that advertising. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, maybe to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.